In today's video I want to show you a very cool integration based on Gemini's last updates. I can't stop playing with it. We're gonna make that or something else that you would like. This is the final product, but we started here. It will only take me 3 minutes to explain an opener and let's get it done. It's so funny. Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome for the first time. My name is Idan, but you can also call me Mr. Roth, and I'm here to help you make AI useful for yourself. And this is an integrations video, something just to get you going during the weekends. You won't leave the computer. It's amazing. So this past week, last week, Gemini had an update. The update is called Nano Banano. You can see try image editing. You just click here on the tools and you have create images, and now you can also edit images. That is the new update, to edit images. So once Gemini wants to show me my later conversations, let's go back, it's here. So how did we get here? Well, we started with this one here, not this one. One second, there you go. I just took a picture of myself goofing around, and then I told Gemini, hey Gemini, let's try the new Nano Banano image generation, put some hair on my head. And it did, and if you see in the news flash, you saw it already, but now we took it a step higher. Now we added the glasses, but I wanted, rock and roll glasses, yellowish. And he gave me those glasses. And look here. It switched the glasses that I have. It didn't put it over my glasses. It switched the glasses. This is the Opa. You see? It switched the glasses. And then I told her, I want some jewelry. Now let's add rings, necklace for the heart of the rock and roll. And look what is going on. Now, this is the integration. Here, you take that image, you download, and then you go to a new conversation with Gemini. You generate a new chat. You start a new chat. You go to tools, you go to create videos with Veo. I did it already because I don't want to spend your time. It takes a couple of minutes to do every iteration here. And then you go here to, so I went to Veo, I inserted the image, and I told him, make me pick up a guitar and play. And that is the final product. Now, yes, it doesn't look exactly like me, but think about how many things you can goof around with it. And you don't just need it can be any image. You can generate an image with Gemini and then you can edit it or just take it straight to Veo. But in Gemini, you need to start a new conversation. You can generate it in an image with chat and make something come to life. It's something that Veo says. Also here you see that it gives you the option to add a photo, but taking a photo of yourself, playing around with it, and then giving it that I can't stop laughing and play. And you know what's funny? I used to have a guitar just like that. That is it, pretty much. It's a cool integration, just something for the weekend so you can play around, take old pictures of your family, start goofing around. Maybe once upon a time your dad had hair, or your mom, I don't know what, or if you want to put a beard on your sister, I don't know what you can do, but you can take old pictures, edit them, make them into videos, make things come to life. It's just, you see me, I can't stop laughing because I'm just goofing around with it. That is it. Just something for the weekend, something short. I will see you in Sunday's AI News Flash. I will see you next time. Tell me what you think about the new background. We're still working on it. There is a lot of work in progress. Next video. Bye bye.